Hi students, let us go with our new subtopic in trigonometry, that is the properties of triangles. Now in this, one of the important question, if A equals to 13, B equals to 14, C equals to 15, then show that capital R equals to 65 by 8, small r equals to 4, small r1 equals 21 by 2, small r2 equals 12 and small r3 is 14. Okay, let us go with our solution. First of all, formulas of capital R and small r, r1, r2, r3. Okay, let us go with our formulas. Then first one is a capital R. Actually, we know delta equals to ABC by 4R actually. Delta equals to ABC by 4R. From this, then we can write small r equals to, now delta bring that side, small ABC by 4 delta. Okay, then small r equals to delta by S. Now small r1 equals to delta by S minus A. Small r2 equals to delta by S minus B. Small r3 equals to delta by S minus C. And also we need delta and S or no, definitely. Then delta equals to, we have number of formulas for delta, but here we can using like this. Delta equals S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay, and S, we need first of all S. Now S is a half of perimeter of delta triangle. Okay, A plus B plus C by 2. Okay, then let us go with our solution by using these formulas. Let first of all S equals to, S is a half of perimeter of triangle. Okay, then A plus B plus C by 2. Then A plus B plus C equals to what? 13 plus 14 plus 15 by 2. Then how much? 13, 3 plus 4, 7 plus 5, 12, 1 plus 3 is a 4 by 2, it is a 21. Okay, now S is nothing but 21. We got S. Now delta. Delta equals to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay, let's substitute the S value. Yes, S is a 21 and S minus A, 21 minus 13, 21 minus 14, 21 minus 15. Okay, now simplification. Now here it is a 21. 21 minus 13, 8. 21 minus 14, it is a 21 minus 14. 21 minus 13 is a 8. Now it is a 7. Now it is a 6. Okay, let's simplification. Now observe here. Shall I write like this? It is a 3 into 7. Now write all in prime factors. It is a 3 into 7. Now it is a 2 into 2 into 2 and 7. Now 6 is nothing but 2 into 3. Okay. Now cancelling square root, then we will get what? It is a delta, yes or no? Delta equals to, now for 2 3's, write 1 3. Okay na? For 2 2's, write 1. For 2 2's, write 1 2. Okay na? For 2 7's, take 1 7. Okay, then delta equals what? 3 into 2, 3 into 2 6, 6 into 2 12, 12 7's are 84. Okay, then we got delta and S also here. S equals what? S equals to 21. Okay, now these values, small capital R, small r, r1, r2, r3. Okay, let's First of all, now capital R. Capital R equals what? ABC by 4 delta. Okay, ABC by 4 delta. Then substitute the values of ABC. 13 into 14 into 15 by 4 into delta 84. Okay, now cancellation. 2 2s are 2 7s are 7 1s are 7 12s are. Okay, any cancellation? Let's observe here. 3 4s are 3 5s are. Okay, then it is a 13 5s are 65. 2 into 4s are 8. Okay, capital R equals to 65 by 8. Okay, over. Next, small r equals to what? Delta by S. Delta is nothing but 84. Now it is a 21. Let cancellation. It is a 84, is a 21. 21 ones are 21 fours are simply. Okay, then that equals to 4. Then R equals to 4. We got one. R equals to delta by S, then R equals to 4 is the one of the answer. Then what about R1? R1 equals what? Delta by S minus A. Okay, then delta equals to 84 by S minus A. S is nothing but S is a 21 minus A is a 13, then that equals to 84 by 8. Okay, now cancellation. The 2 4s are 4 2s are 4 21s are, then 21 by 2. Okay, then R1 equals to 21 by 2. Then R2 equals to delta by S minus B. Delta is nothing but 84 by S minus B, 21 minus 14, then 84 by 7 ones are. Okay, 7 ones are 7 12s are equals to 12. Then R2 equals to 12. Then last one, R3 equals to delta by S minus C. Now delta is nothing but 84 by 21 minus 15 equals to 84 by 21 minus 15 is the 6. Okay, now here cancellation. 6 ones are 6 14s are, then that equals to 14. Okay, then R3 equals to what? 14. Okay, let R1 equals 21 by 2 here. Now R3 equals 14. Now these are the formulas. Okay, by applying these formulas we got these values. Okay, it is a very important question. Definitely you should learn. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.